Do you like an idea of starting your own dropshipping business but still feel confused? What should you do first? What will be next? What way to choose? I'm here to clarify all that. That's Anna from Dropship Club, and I'll be your guide on your first dropshipping journey. I'm one of the experts in dropshipping business now, but I still remember how scary it feels when you open your first dropshipping store. Have you ever wondered how does dropshipping work and what is it? We already have a video about it on our channel. This video is dedicated on how to start this business. Let's start with a short definition of the dropshipping business model. Dropshipping is an easy model of online business when you sell products from other suppliers via your own dropshipping store without keeping any of the products at your place. Suppliers will send their products directly to your customers and you will keep your margin. You won't have to pay for these products before your customers order them. No need to produce, keep, or even manage shipping of any items. Cool, right? The first thing to do, of course, is to pluck up your courage and tap into launching it. Fortunately, you found our club and we will guide you through all the steps. So, first of all, you should decide what is your niche and audience. I mean, actually find out what types of the products you want to sell and who will be interested in buying them immediately. Check out the first and second steps in the roadmap on our website and watch the videos from our team on choosing the right niche. You will find the links in the description. Okay, you've defined your niche and audience. Your next step is to set up your own online store with special dropshipping tools and upload descriptions of your products with your prices for them. You can do everything on your own and save some money. Or alternatively, you can save your time and order a custom store made by professionals. Find the details on our website. Also, we have a 30 minutes video demonstrating the process of creating a store. You know where the links are, right? Here is the most amazing part. You promote your products, test different ads to find your best avenues of promotion, and experiment with targeting methods. After customers order anything in your store, you process the orders and keep your profit. That is not limited at all. Check the instructions in the store promotion section on our website. So let's briefly summarize how to start dropshipping business. Well, first of all, you have to define niche and audience, then set up your own online store with special dropshipping tools and upload descriptions of your products with your prices for them. You can even buy a ready custom store, skipping these 3 steps. After that, you need to promote your products to get orders from your customers and then pay initial prices to your suppliers. The main advantage is that it's much less risky than traditional retail because you buy items from the supplier only after you've actually made the sale on your website and got paid for it. It also requires very small investments. It's the perfect way to start making money online. Here's how you can order a custom store. Go to the recommended solutions page on our website and select Custom Stores by Ali Dropship. Check the link in the description or on the screen. Right here, after choosing your preferable package, you can order your future store without spending your time on creating it by yourself. Use code CLUB20 for a 20% discount on your order. You see, there is nothing too difficult. Even if you don't have any experience in e-commerce business, you can succeed in that. Remember, a detailed step-by-step guide is on our website in the roadmap section, and several useful links are in the description. Upgrade your skills and success with Dropship Club team. Don't forget to put your like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Dropship Club. You will find all the links in the descriptions. See you! If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are always ready to answer all the questions.